Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today is about establishing good communication with your supervisor. Communication is the foundation of a successful business and a good remote work. It helps people stay connected, feel part of their work community, and helps avoid feelings of loneliness, boost confidence in work, and maximizes team productivity. To help us understand on how to properly communicate with your supervisor, I searched for some tips online and got some ideas from FlexJobs and usnews.com. Here are the 5 tips to establishing good communication with your supervisor. Number 1. Be proactive. You must be proactive in keeping lines of communication open so no one feels isolated or left in the dark. Proactive communication can be as simple as regularly updating your supervisor on a project you are working on, or even letting coworker know you're out of the office next week. Number 2. Ask for communication preference. Your supervisor may prefer to communicate via email, instant messaging, or with occasional video calls. Figure out who likes what and then try to communicate in the way that meets their needs. Number 3. Adapt new communication tools. Email is not your only option to collaborate with team members when working remotely. In fact, there are many digital platforms and tools that can ease the transition to a remote work setting and create an environment that allows for better collaboration, such as Zoom, MS Teams, and WhatsApp. Number 4. Checking in and out during your shift. For the first 2 months, inform your supervisor about logging in and out to let them know that you are being productive and helps you smoothly transition to the remote working process. Number 5. Remember the 3 C's. No matter how you're communicating, you won't go wrong if you focus on these 3 C's. Clear, consistent, and concise. Clear communications are simple and stick to the fact. Consistency means people know how and when you're going to communicate and what kinds of messages you'll provide. Concise communications are brief and get to the point quickly. So those are the 5 easy steps that you can apply in establishing good communication with your supervisor. I hope you apply and learn something about our tips and tricks for today. Always remember that communication is the foundation of a successful business and a good remote work. That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.